Dear God, I thank you for blessing me, Potato001, with such a sus escape. I ask that you guide me in my conquest to destroy the Pandorian crystal before nightfall, in order for my betrayal to the Pancake Empire remain secret. Goody boudoir.
Excuse me? Sir?
Can you hear us? Where are you going? We can't just leave the ship. What's that?
Seems like a door of some kind.
What do you think it's for?
Do you think it can help us with the ship?
That thing? Huh. Niet.
Well, we've been stranded here for days. We'll need 2 Pandorian crystals to power our broken ship.
Crystals, you say?
You're not saying you've seen those crystals before.
You mean, like this one?
Do you have a second one of them?
Not yet, but I know where we could get another.
I miss my family.
We're back.
We got help.
Goldie,
Dylan.
we brought good news.
Who's he?
Help. With the crystals.
It's true. I just escaped from Pandora.
This is King Pancake of Pandora Empire speaking. Our robots have detected and located our rebel escapee and identified him as Predaddle 001. We know you are watching this, and we know you are close. We usher you to return unarmed and alone. Otherwise, drastic, torturous measures will be forced to take place. This is King Pancake speaking. Thank you.
We must hurry. This will transport us.
We should listen to him. It's all we got.
Let's make this quick.
YOLO.
This place is like a maze.
What? Left?
No, straight across.
Guys, something's happening. Predaddle, are you stuck? Come on.
They're controlling me with the music.
No! Everyone, hold on.
Go on without me.
Ouch.
What was that for?
Shh, just listen.
Listen to me. Go to your left and then past 3 doors, and then you need to go to the left again, and then you go to the right and you look straight, and there's a room with crystal.
Predaddle, what about you?
Just get the crystals. I'll be okay. Dear God, goody boudoir, pinas ceramiche, riaca la male chama.
So he's really gone?
Hello, children. Predaddle 001 has been taken care of. Due to your reckless attempt at infiltrating the Pandora Empire, all doors and windows will be shut in 2 minutes for lockdown. Any form of resistance and violence against guards will not be tolerated. I look forward to watching you.
Go. We got 2 minutes.
Guys, there's a door. I think it's the crystal room.
How do we open these?
You may have found the precious crystal room, but don't think for a second you'll find anything. You're stuck here. I'm calling the guards in. Hey, wait, what are you doing?
I almost got it.
You saved us.
Sister Layla, you're brilliant. I think she broke the camera, but we're gonna have to find a distraction.
What distraction? What distraction?
In case guards still come?
I'll do it. I can.
What?
We all know I'm the most charming.
I wouldn't say that.
Ligon, wait!
Let him go. We need to get the crystal.
The advanced technologies in my aluminum headset spins faster than yours. I disagree, Boop. Yours is flimsy. See? Cheap. Decomposable. Your wires aren't eco-friendly. Since when are you so green? Spin off. Stupid. So dumb. Bald spot. Ugh.
You're both ugly.
You! Don't try to run.
Too late. My friends already left. It's just you and me, baby.